Hi everyone, Todd from Steve's TV here. So today I want to talk to you about YouTube Shorts. Actually I want to talk to you about thumbnails. So we all know that you can shoot your short on your phone using the YouTube app, and they allow you to pick a single frame for a thumbnail. So what do you do though if you make it on the computer? You shoot it with other cameras, you edit a nice little package together, and then when you upload it to YouTube, they don't let you pick a thumbnail. So, I've heard that there are ways where you can try to guess where the algorithm is going to pick your thumbnail from, and you can try to stand out a little more to hopefully it'll pick the right one. That doesn't seem very reliable. In this video, I want to show you a method that I think is a lot simpler and it's a lot more reliable for choosing your thumbnail. So let's check it out. Okay, so for this one I'm using Final Cut Pro on the iPad Pro. So I've already made the short, finished what I wanted. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go to export. I'm going to export the video. Now normally I change that to MP4, it's the default setting, and then I export it. Okay, so once it's done exporting, I just click Save to Video. So now it says it's done and it's in the photo library. So we're done here. We can close that out. So once you get it exported, now you have to get it to your phone. So however you get it to your phone, I used iCloud. But once it's on your phone, put it into your photos library. Don't put it into your files. So once it's in your photos, you're going to go to your phone, open up the YouTube app, go to Create a Short. Once you're there on Create a Short, you're going to hit the Add Clip button. You find which one you wanted. That's the one I just did. So I'm going to put that. And then you're going to hit Done. Now it's going to obviously take its time. So once it grabs it and feeds it up into ready to upload. Okay, so once it's ready, you can do all of that. But now you'll notice you can go and you can choose your own thumbnail. So you can pick whichever one you like. Click Done, and as you see in the top corner, that is your new thumbnail. Add your title, you go up and you click Upload Short. Alright, and there you go. It's uploaded to YouTube with the thumbnail of your choice. So let me know in the comments below what you think of this method, or is there another method that's better that I'm unaware of? I hope you liked the video, so please hit the like button and the subscribe. Hit that bell too, it really helps us out here at Steve's TV. And we'll see you in the next one. Take care.